waited on, I'm sorry, because I waited on the, on the 1 minute chart, it broke the neckline on the Head and Shoulders on the 1 minute. I was able to put my stop very tight because it broke the neckline. Hi everyone, it's Tiffany with Bearable Traders here to do my recap. Today I traded NVDA. I traded one of my favorite reversal strategies, and that is a reversal with a 15-minute doji confirmation. So you have a 15-minute doji with a new low, and something that I look for is for the wick to be pretty large on the top side of the doji, and with a new low. It also, well, the only thing that this could have been better is if it weren't so close to the VWAP. I did not really love that it was so close to the VWAP in this daily level. And you also have the engulfing 15-minute. So those are two signs that weren't that great. However, everything else looked really great. You have this R4 level right here. You have a Head and Shoulders on the 5 and the 15-minute. You see how clear it is. I'm sorry, 5 and the 1 minute. And you can see how clear it is on the 1 minute. You have the head right here, left shoulder, right shoulder. Now, I was watching this setup, and I really loved this 5-minute doji right here. And so I was watching it. It made this right shoulder. I could have been more aggressive with my entry and entered right here as it was curling down, and it couldn't quite get as high as this level right here. And so I could have been aggressive and entered here with a stop here. The only reason I didn't is because it was so close to the VWAP in this daily level. I really wanted confirmation on the higher time frames. I'm sorry, that is my dog. And you have the, it's losing R4. You have these dojis right here on the 5-minute with the large wicks to the top side. And I waited on this 15-minute candle to close as a doji and a new 15-minute low to enter. So because I waited on confirmation, and because I waited on, I'm sorry, because I waited on the on the 1-minute chart, it broke the neckline on the Head and Shoulders on the 1 minute. I was able to put my stop very tight. Because it broke the neckline, I was going to get out if it made a new 1-minute high. You have the 9 and the 20 curling down and crossing over. And after it broke the neckline, I entered. My stop was if it made a new 1-minute high. And I was able to take nice partials down through the VWAP. I partialed very heavy at R3, and then I was all out at yesterday's close. As you can see, I did leave money on the table. It came down really nicely and bounced off of this daily level, which I believe is yesterday's low, which you can see right here, and popped back up. So I did leave money on the table, of course, but this is my reversal strategy with the 15-minute doji confirmation. So when I'm taking the reversal with the 15-minute doji confirmation, I like to see on the 1-minute and the 5-minute either a double top or Head and Shoulders. And so as you can see, I was watching Tesla as well, but the reason I did not take Tesla is because it had this really super strong 15-minute candle. This was a doji, but it's not the type of doji I like to see on reversals. I really like to see a larger wick to the top side, which would be a spinning top doji. I'm sorry, a shooting star doji. And with a new low. This looked more like it could be a 15-minute ABCD pattern going on here. And you have these daily levels here, so it's right in between these daily levels. And so the risk to reward really wasn't there for me for this one. I could have entered after this second top right here. And then you also have a double top here, But like I said, I felt much more comfortable with NVIDIA, and I really felt more confident and that it was actually going to make the move that I was looking for. So that is the reason I did not take Tesla and I chose NVIDIA over this one. But if you have any questions about my reversals, please enter them down below. Don't forget, Bearable Traders has an amazing free stock trading simulator with Market Replay. It is really amazing. I really wish I would have had this tool when I first started trading. So make sure you check that out. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.